This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now by securing the trailer. Chock wheels and set the parking brake so nothing moves. Once done, lower each stabilizer jack until it contacts the ground. You want support, not lift. Make sure to work on solid ground or place plates under feet to prevent sinking. As you lower, watch a bubble level at the entry and side. Small adjustments change how doors and appliances settle. This step creates a stable baseline for precise adjustments that follow. You now refine stability by working jacks in a sequence, diagonal or paired, so load moves evenly across the frame. Make small, measured turns, about 1/4 to 1/2 turn each time, then recheck levels and door operation. Once a corner feels supported, pause. Over-tightening creates frame stress and misalignment. If you have powered jacks, run them slowly and listen for binding. Manual cranks give better tactile feedback. This method prevents twisting and ensures the trailer sits flat and secure. Finish by locking jacks in place with their nuts or pins and double-checking every footpad for firm contact. You should test doors, slides, and appliances to confirm the trailer is level enough for normal operation. If something binds or doors don't latch, resequence adjustments and add plates or shims under weak spots rather than cranking harder. Troubleshooting tip. If a corner sits low, inspect the jack for bend or a bad pad. Replace or reinforce before relying on it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.